How to get CIF number for your SBI bank account without going to bank. See why CIF number is important. If you are registering for the SBI net banking and that is for the first time, if you select new user or register here option, and on the next page again you select new user registration and tap on next option, it will ask you to enter account number, which I assume you have it. But below that you can see it is asking to enter CIF number as well. But from where can we find CIF number? So I'm going to guide you with easiest way to get your CIF number in this video. But before going ahead, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, the most easiest way to get your CIF number is using your passbook. So if you have your account passbook with you, just check the first page. You can find your 11-digit CIF code or a CIF number over there. If you don't have passbook, the other easiest way is if you have downloaded account statement. Again, on the first page of your account statement, you can check out the account details. Over there, again, you can find 11-digit CIF number. Now, if you don't have passbook and account statement with you, then you can follow this third easiest way, and that is you just go and open any particular browser in your mobile phone and search for SBI customer care number. This is the customer care number. Before calling this number, make sure you're calling that particular number with your registered number only. So as soon as you tap on call this number, select the application from which you want to call, and don't forget to remove this +91 option. Once you remove the +91 option, again call with the registered number only. So now you can see it is saying that the number is busy. It might take some time to connect that number, so you have to try multiple times. So let's try once again.
नमस्कार, भारतीय स्टेट बैंक के संपर्क केंद्र में आपका स्वागत है.
So you can see now the call is connected.
To change your language, press 0. हिंदी में जानकारी के लिए 1 डायल करें. For English, press 2.
We'll press 2.
You have selected English as your preferred language. To block your ATM card, UPI, internet banking, and to deregister your Aadhaar-enabled payment service, press 0. For account balance, statement, CIF information, and nomination status, press 1. For ATM card,
you have pressed 1.
The balance in your account is 1,371 rupees and 92 paise. To listen to last 5 transactions and receive the information as SMS, press 1. To get account statement through registered email ID, press 2. For CIF inquiry, press 3.
Press 3.
For nomination status, dear customer, your request has been processed successfully. CIF details have been sent through SMS on your registered mobile number.
So that's it. Now you have heard that they have sent me the CIF number on my registered mobile number. So all you have to do is wait for a few minutes, and after that you can just simply check out message application in your mobile phone. And now you can see I have received an SMS from my bank. First they will give you a request ID, and after that you can just check out your 11-digit CIF number over here. So this is how simple it is to get CIF number for your SBI account without visiting bank. So yeah, first option is you can always check out the passbook. Second is you can check out for your account statement, and if you don't have any of it, just dial to the customer number and you will get your CIF number. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.